Hey, I'm Carl Hood with Analog Way, and welcome to my office hours. So let's say you have to reset your Aquilon and you want to do a full factory reset. There are two ways to do that. One of them is in WebRCS. Let's take a look. In WebRCS, you're going to go and click on this icon for the Aquilon, and you're basically just going to go down to reset. When you click on this button, you'll be brought to this reset page, and you have two options. There's a default reset, which will reset some of the things of your Aquilon, but not all of the things. For example, network interface means that you won't be resetting your IP address. Image library means your still store is going to remain. Your custom format memories, your EDID library, your LUT library, those will all remain. But if you want to do a full factory reset, you want to choose out of the box. Then, if you hit reset down here, it's going to initiate a factory reset, and after a couple of minutes, your Aquilon will come booted up with all defaults, everything. The only thing that will not be affected by this factory reset is your firmware version. So your firmware will remain the same, it won't backdate, it won't change, but everything else in the box will go to its default value. So the Aquilon will come up, no screens, no resource allocation, no anything. The other way to do a factory reset is actually from the front panel of the Aquilon. So let's take a look at that. So if you don't see this on the front panel, you can go ahead and hit the menu button to wake it up. Otherwise, you can click on Enter here to go into Control. And then you can go down to Factory Reset. When you click on Factory Reset, in this case, to do a full factory reset, you'll want to click Out of the Box. You want to say, are you sure? Yes. And that will initiate a full factory reset. This should take about 2 minutes, and then you'll be back up and running with all default values. And there you have it. If you need to factory reset your Aquilon, those are the two ways to do it. Be sure to watch my other office hours videos for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.